Okay, this is Ms. Herndon, and this is for Microsoft Excel Module 11, and this is the second half. I stopped on 8, step 8. Okay, and we've switched to the worksheet that is fabric sold by date, and we're going to create a pivot table as shown that follows, as follows, that shows each category of fabric sold by date. In cell A3, insert a pivot table using the workbook's data model. So we're going to do insert, pivot table, and again we're going to use the workbook's data model. And we're going to use the existing worksheet and use the following fields from the 2018-2019 orders table. Okay, so we're going to click OK. 2018 to 2019. So we're going to go order date field, and it's going to go in the rows. And you noticed when I did that, something happened. Let me drill this down. Actually, my month, quarter, and year went in here as well. We'll just leave that for now. Okay, item quantity field. And that is going to go in the values. And the category field is going to go in the columns box. Okay, so that's pretty nice, isn't it? We're going to make it a little nicer in a minute. Okay, now we are going to use our brand new Power Pivot tab. And we're going to make this a little nicer. So use the Manage option on the Power Pivot. We're on step 9. And we're going to go to Manage. Oh, and it tells us to create a new hierarchy. Oh, first of all, we're going to go to Diagram View. I'm sorry about that. Okay, and when we hover here, we get this hierarchy button here. And we're going to create a new hierarchy. One thing that I like to do is I'm going to make this bigger where I can see more of what I'm doing here. Okay, and now when we hover here, we're going to see Create Hierarchy here. And I'm going to click that. And we're going to name it Date. And hit Enter. Add the order date, year. So, order date, year. Okay, when we hover over it, we get that blue. And that's what we want. We're going to drop it into there when we have the blue. Okay, and then we have the order date quarter. And again, we're going to look for that blue. And then we're going to have the order date month, and not the one that says index. Look for the blue when you hover over date. And the order date. The order date's up here by itself for whatever reason. Okay, and they need to be in this order. Okay, and we're going to create another new hierarchy. So let's click Create Hierarchy. And this one we're going to name Product. Okay, we're going to add the category and subcategory to this. I'm going to drag this down farther so that we can see more. There's a category. Drag it until we get the blue. There we go. And then subcategory. Drag it till we get the blue. Okay, and we're done with that, so we can simply close it. Okay, now we're going to revise the pivot table to use the hierarchies that we created as follows. All right, we're going to remove the rows and columns. Okay, so the only thing left is values. And now we're going to, pardon me, we're going to expand this, and we're going to use more fields. And here's our date and product. So the date hierarchy is going to go in the rows, and the product is going to go in the columns. And you can see each of them can be drilled down. Okay. And for the sum of item quantity, we're going to do the field value settings again. And we're going to do item sold. We're going to do the number format, number, 0 decimals, and thousand separator. Okay, okay. And then we're going to use the drill down to display the daily sales for January 2019. Okay, so let's go to Analyze on the Pivot Table Tools. Then we're going to go to January 2019, and we're going to choose to drill down. Go to Quarter 1, drill down, and for January we're going to drill down, and there it all is. And so that is the end of it. And you should check to make sure that everything appears the same as in the diagrams in the back. And that's it. Thank you very much, and let me know if you have questions.